Let's start this series off by unboxing the Apple Watch SE 2nd generation.
Off first appearances, it seems very similar to my Apple Watch 8. Nice. You have the band and the watch itself. .44mm watch. Seems pretty small in hand. So it is the magnetic to USB-C. Let's take a look at the band. Here over here. I did get the medium to large band. I prefer the plastic because it's easier to clean, especially when you sweat and work out a lot. No charging block, but you have the watch, you have the watch charger, and you have the wristband all in the box.